This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. Capex.com takes a very different approach from execution-first brokers, placing its emphasis on usability, education, and guided decision-making rather than raw trading control. The platform operates primarily through its proprietary web trader and mobile applications, providing CFD access to forex, indices, stocks, commodities, ETFFS, and cryptocurrencies within a tightly managed interface. One of Capex.com's strongest differentiators is its integrated research and analytics layer. Traders are presented with daily market briefings, analyst sentiment indicators, economic calendars, volatility signals, and third-party research feeds directly inside the platform, reducing the need to rely on external tools. The strengths of Capex.com clearly sit in structure and accessibility. Newer traders benefit from extensive educational resources, guided learning paths, demo accounts, and tier-based support that scales with account level. Higher tiers unlock features such as deeper research access, priority support, webinars, trading insights, and one-to-one sessions with account representatives. This creates an environment where traders are coached through markets rather than left to self-direct entirely. The trade-off is flexibility. Advanced traders may find the platform limiting due to reduced routing transparency, fewer execution controls, and limited customization compared to DMA-focused or professional trading platforms. Capex.com is not designed for scalping, algorithmic trading, or high-frequency strategies, and that limitation is intentional rather than accidental. Capex.com was founded in 2016 and expanded rapidly by positioning itself as a regulated, education-driven CFD broker with a strong compliance narrative. Its growth across European and international markets has been supported by aggressive branding, sponsorships, and a focus on trader onboarding. At the same time, that growth has brought scrutiny. The company places strong emphasis on regulation and risk disclosures, aiming to attract traders who prioritize structured environments, learning support, and capital protection mechanisms over execution autonomy. Pricing is organized around tiered account structures, including essential, original, and signature accounts. Each tier increases access to research tools, account management support, and special trading conditions, with higher minimum deposit expectations as tiers progress. Trading costs are embedded into spreads rather than charged as explicit commissions. Account structures are primarily individual accounts, with professional classification available for eligible traders. Additional fees may apply for inactivity, overnight financing, and certain administrative services, depending on account usage and activity patterns. From a sentiment perspective, Infinox maintains a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, with customer feedback frequently citing platform stability, reliable execution, and competitive trading conditions. Criticism tends to focus on slower customer support responses rather than concerns about withdrawals or trust. In contrast, Capex.com does not currently display an active Trustpilot rating due to guideline enforcement actions. Publicly visible feedback includes sharp criticism around aggressive sales outreach, account pressure, and dissatisfaction with trading outcomes, alongside some neutral commentary acknowledging the platform's usability and educational structure. Final takeaway: if you want a flexible, execution-focused environment with familiar platforms, transparent pricing models, and room to scale as your skills grow, Infinox offers a balanced and trader-centric experience. If you prefer a highly guided trading environment with built-in research, education, and structured account tiers, Capex.com is clearly designed for that audience, though it comes with reduced control and transparency. If this breakdown helped you identify which platform actually fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker comparisons, and click the link below to explore the platform that aligns with your strategy, not just the one making the boldest promises.